Welcome back. Choosing a school for the next generation, embracing futuristic education. Introduction: Navigating the future of education. In an era marked by rapid technological advancements and a constantly evolving job market, selecting a school that prepares the next generation for the future is more crucial than ever. Today's parents and guardians are tasked with a pivotal decision: choosing an educational institution that not only imparts traditional knowledge, but also instills futuristic learning methodologies. This article delves into the key factors to consider when selecting a school that is equipped to foster the overall development of children, preparing them to face the real world and succeed in life confidently. The need for futuristic schools. Today's schools must do more than teach reading, writing, and arithmetic, must incubators of innovation, critical thinking, and adaptability. As we prepare our children for jobs that don't yet exist, to solve problems we're not yet aware of, the role of education becomes not just about imparting knowledge but about shaping versatile, resilient individuals. Criteria for selecting a futuristic school. Emphasis on STEM and digital literacy. Look for schools that integrate science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, education with a strong focus on digital literacy, preparing students for a tech-driven future. Holistic learning approach. A futuristic school should focus on the all-round development of a child, including emotional, social, and physical growth, alongside academic prowess. Incorporation of AI and tech-based learning tools. The use of AI and other advanced technologies in teaching methodologies is a sign of a school that's keeping pace with the times. Project-based and experiential learning. Schools that emphasize hands-on learning, problem-solving, and real-world projects help students develop critical thinking and creativity. Adaptability to changing educational trends. Futuristic schools are those that are flexible and adaptive to the evolving educational landscape, continually updating their curriculum and teaching methods. Focus on soft skills and emotional intelligence. In a world where automation and AI are prevalent, the ability to demonstrate empathy, communication, and leadership becomes as important as technical skills. Global perspective and diversity. Exposure to diverse cultures and global issues is key in preparing students for a connected world. Sustainability and environmental education. Teaching students about sustainability and environmental stewardship is essential for the well-being of our planet. Conclusion: preparing children for a world yet to be shaped. The school we choose for our children significantly influences their preparedness for the future. In a world where change is the only constant, a futuristic school is not just an option, it's a necessity. These institutions are not just about imparting knowledge, they are about instilling a mindset to innovate, adapt, and thrive in an uncertain future. As we guide the next generation, let's prioritize schools that are not just teaching for today, but are educating for tomorrow. If you're navigating the crucial decision of selecting a school for your child, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Like this video if you found these insights helpful, and subscribe for more discussions on futuristic education. Check out the description for additional resources on choosing the right educational path for your child. Together, let's embrace a future-focused approach to education, preparing our children for a world of endless possibilities.